Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my project share that I received for participating in Scrappin for My Boys swap. And this swap that we were supposed to do, which was due at the beginning of February, was we were supposed to make some, type of gift packaging boxes that people could use, whatever theme you wanted, coordinating of course. And you had to create two boxes, and so there's also some cards, 3x3s or 4x4s or whatever, to match the coordinating packaging that you made. So it's really nice to do that because you also give you some stash in your inventory if you need to send something out quick in a rack or a swap or whatever. You have some packaging already set up for you, so that's pretty cool. So I like, and we didn't really have any restrictions on that. She let us use pretty much any type of styles that we wanted, so that was really cool too as well. So Scrappin for My Boys, Monica, so I will have her link below for her channel so you can subscribe to her. She's very talented, does a lot of mixed media and metal type work as well, and flowers, so check out her channel, as well as all the ladies that I had in my swap. I am very familiar with all their channels and their work, and they're awesome creators, so make sure you check out their channels as well. And their links will be below, and I will be pointing it out as I go through the swap. Apologize for the sound in advance of the crinkling of packaging. I love that sound, but I know some people have sensory issues, so I do apologize in advance, but I didn't want to go through it and mess it up. So because they took the time to creatively decorate the bags, I wanted you guys to be able to see how they decorated it before I ripped it apart. So because sometimes I'm a little heavy-handed, I didn't want to mess it up without you getting an opportunity to see their creative work. So this first one is from Shantae. So and they all have videos, so you can check out their channels for that as well. But anyway, this she used with the bag topper. She used the layered love. She made some flowers and she made them dimensional. And then look at her colors. I really like this gray and this I guess like a seafoam or whatever. I'm not sure what color. Excuse me, the best one to describe it. But anyway, hers is simply Shantae. Is her channel. So I'm going to open it up and try to be as gentle as I can, because I know sometimes getting into stuff, because we try to keep our stuff as crafters, really put together so that it will withstand the shipping, because Lord knows my post office is like feast or famine. They do everything delicate, and then the next time you go around, stuff is torn to pieces. You just never know what you're going to get. And this last summer, boy, they really messed up my stuff. But she also put some goodies in here as well. So she gave us some bling, and my bling is there we go, taped in. But so I got a pack of one scrap bling. So it's in 3 different sizes, which is really nice. And this is the orange color, so you can always use that. So thank you, Shantae. And then this is a pillow box, really nice. And so you don't know what a pillow box is, it's really easy to use. You can put anything here, you can put jewelry, whatever. You just push the sides in right here, and then you can close up your pillow box. See? So this is ready to go. She's got some bling up here. She's got the layer sentiment up here that says love, and then she's got the little mint colored bling. Yeah, that's probably what the color is mint. Think of the name mint. And then look at this beautiful card that goes along with it. I mean, this is really nice. So she put it in here, and look at this envelope. She's got a decorative edge for the envelope. Nice. And so right here is blank inside, so I can stamp, write whatever I want to. And this is nice and dimensional and heavy. And it says, "You fill my heart with love." Really pretty. See that metallic on that as well. So that's a nice thing. So these all had to have coordinated projects. So you can take this and just boom, send somebody a gift. And so for her other one, she sent this nice, wonderful gable box. It says "Shower with love." Very nice sentiment as well. So we had to send them flat, to lay flat. So all I had to do is put this together at the bottom. Boom. Got my little gable box. So very nice. And then here's the card to go along with that one, coordinating with the heart as well. It says XOXO. Very pretty. Again, she's got that decorative edge and it's stitched around the top. On that edge, blank on the inside, coordinating metallic and white paper. Very nice and thick card. Very pretty. I like that tag behind the XOXO too, that's stitched. That's very neat. I like that. So everything on that one is stitched, and that one on that one. So again, that's the Shantae from Simply Shantae. So now again, I'm going to open up my second one, and this one is from Brittany. Again, forgive me for the sound. She Put some nice little rose petals in there. And this is Gift Packaging Swap, January 2020, hosted by Scrappin4myboys. And this is Brittany, and she's BB's Crafts. So you can check out Instagram and YouTube by that channel as well. And so she has a nice Velcro. Boom. I like this big envelope that she stuck it in. So this is how hers came packaged. And she has a bow on this side right here. And it has my name. She personalized it. It says Dawn. And so let's jump right in. And this says Swap Mail. That's a very cute little touch. I like that. And then she's got a thank you on the back and her name. So right here, this is her pillow box. So let's open it right on up. I love swaps too, because you get to see, you know, they inspire you. People are so creative. They come up with different ways to interpret the same project. And that's what I love about it, because it makes you think, wow, I like that finishing touch. I like how they did that. I hadn't thought of that. So I encourage people to participate in swaps. They're really fun. It makes you step outside the box. And so this is her gable box. And again, you do the same thing with the sides. You push it in and you have your box. And this is for you. And she heat embossed that there. She's got a metallic flower here and a bow on the handle. And then here, and she's got some bling. And then she's got a coordinating card. Let's check out this coordinating card as well. And this is a 3x3. It's got some gold up here, and it says for you, and you got your flowers on the bottom. And again, she's got it inside with the coordinating as well, gold, and she's got a she's inked the edges of the mat on the inside that you can stamp on or write on. It says for you, and she came with the envelope as well. Nice and sturdy paper. Everything is ready to go. And so she did this one, says for you. She's got the gold metallic one, and then she did this one, similar but different. This one says celebrate. So again, you can use this for a birthday, anniversary, you know, any kind of celebration that you would like, you can use that for. And then here's a coordinating card to go along with that set. And I meant to show you on the other side. On this one, she has some washi and a stamped flower. A washi and a stamped flower on that one. She finished off the envelope. So these also, the things about swaps always give you nice little tips on things that you can do for your packaging as well. So this one, she's got that gold again. This says congrats. She stamped it in the background. She's got some floral. And again, that's the inside of that one. I'm off, sorry. Got my camera's a different angle. And so she's got that, and again, that's how she stamped it with some different color washi on that one, gold. So you can see both of those 3x3 cards that she made, and then both of her pillow boxes that you can use. And then as extra goodie, she made some bows. It says handmade with love by BB's Crafts. And these are some cute bows that she made. Pull those out. So you can see right here she layered them. This one has some tulle on it. These are layered bows, dimensional. And she's got some pearl as the bling. And so you can add them to any project that you have. And black is pretty much a universal color. So you can add them to a lot. And she's got that gold under this as dimensional with the black on top of it. So it adds a nice dimension there as well. So thank you. Oops, there's one more thing. Oh, two more things, sorry. She's got some bling right here. And then she's got another handmade crafts. And if I can open it up. And so right here she's got some washi tape bows. So she took some washi and she made some holes. I'm sorry. I was looking at the hole right there, the heart. She made some washi heart that had the same punch. So you just put the washi tape across the paper, and then you punch it out with the heart, and you can create nice designs like that. And so I was looking at the hole right there in the heart. So some exo hearts that she made out of washi. So thank you so much, Brittany. And then last but not least is Faye. And that Faye is Relaxing Scrapper. She made a really nice size one as well. So it's nice that I got different size packaging. Again, sorry for the noise. So you can use something for depending on your different packages that you have. And again, hers is Relax and Scrap. So she made coffee themed ones. And you pretty much everybody in the crafting community is coffee or tea. You know, I'm a water girl and I only drink water, but I still like my coffee and my tea stuff. I make really good tea. I used to love coffee when I was a kid. So I still like those themed items, even if I don't drink them. I think they're still very fun. So she put some goodies in here as well. But anyway, so this is the first one that she made. It says drink coffee. Drink coffee. I can't read. Drink coffee. Oh, gosh, have mercy. Drink coffee and do good. That was throwing me off the ampersand side. I was like, what does that say? A good, do good? Okay. Drink coffee and do good. So this looks like a coffee mug. If you see the handle right here. Isn't that cute? Stinking cute. And so you saw the goodies that she had in there. So you have a nice little pouch that you can stick stuff in. Her name is on the back. And again, the host. And she's got our list of our swap partners. Shantae. When I see her name, I always want to say Shanta. Shantae, Simply Shanta, me, and Brittany from BB Crafts, and Faye from Relax and Scrap. And Monica's name is there for Scrappin4myboys. So she put some bling in here, some acrylic embellishments. We got some floral ones and 2 different colors. I got blue, that's leaves in blue, and then I got dragonflies in gold. And then she made this one and this black one. So that was what she stuffed everything in. So then again, you've got your, she used some glitter, some stickles right here. She's got this bow, nice firm bow right there. And again, this, just pop it up, push it in pieces in right there, and boom, and you got it. She's got the tag right here, nice and sturdy. It says our friendship has its perks. How cute, I love that. So you got your coffee bean on the back, and it's a decorative cutout if you look at the edges on it. So very nicely done. And then this one, I love this. It's so cute. Look at that tag. Friends, keep your heart warm. She got the gold spoon up there. Isn't that cute? And look at that. You can see the embossing right there. Well, not the embossing, but the steam coming out the coffee cup. And this is a beautiful, beautiful, sturdy gold paper. Where did you get this sturdy paper from? This paper is really good. I love that. And then again, that's another coffee one, that pretty paper. Sorry if I'm all thing off of line. Can't see it. See that metallic in there? So that's the 2 bags. And then here's the 2 cards that she made. She used some washi on both. Wake up and smell the coffee. And this is the mocha. So let's look at the wake up and smell the coffee. Again, she's got the rounded edges. She handmade these envelopes. And this is so cute. It's got the flat bow up here. It says happiness is like a hug in a mug. Cute little 3x3 with the gold layering. And then she's got the black paper on the inside there. And the blue on the outside. Nice cute cards. You can grab these 3x3, 4x4s and a pinch, and bam, you already got you what you need. And again, the black one is done too with a rounded envelope. This has the black and white bow. Life is sweet with friends like you, and it's blank on the inside. So very adorable and cute. So I really love my swap partners take on this and all the projects that they made and sent. So thank you, ladies, and please, everybody, check out their channels. And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care.